actually not going to have any accommodate his argument for two axles and just that it's more stable. Because like if you put one axle on it, you can grab the tongue and like turn the trailer, and if you put two, you can't.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Sussex County in southern Delaware, southwestern Kent County in central Delaware, southeastern Talbot County in eastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 10:15 p.m. At 9:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hurlock, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Denton, Harrington, Federalsburg, Greensboro, Oakland, Ridgely, Trapp, Preston, Goldsboro, Tanyard, Harmony, Smithville, Agner, Matthews, Choptank, Griffin, Windy Hill, Sandtown, Andrewsville, and Greenwood. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover.
To go to trailer hitch on a Monza.